Mas, welcome again. We are now on the last activity of composting. We are doing the last turning. When we are doing the last turning, we normally check whether our substrate is ready for phase 2 composting. Phase 2 composting is further pasteurization and conditioning. What do we check for? First, we check for temperatures. As you can see the substrate, you are able to realize that the temperatures are high. You can see the rate of vaporization. The rate of vaporization, the rate of respiration is quite high, very high. Oh, if I put my hand here, it will burn. Wow, my hand burns. Temperatures here are above 75 degrees Celsius. So I can't dip deeper into the substrate pile. My hand will burn. The other condition, the other factor that we consider is the strong smell of ammonia. The substrate at this time should have a strong smell of ammonia. The other aspect is it should be pliable. Remember when we started, the substrate was firm and with a lot of wax. The rate of water absorption was very poor. But now, the substrate is pliable, means it is able to bed easily. It is able to bed easily. The other one is improved water absorption capacity. The substrate has now improved on its water absorption capacity. It is not like in the beginning when we were trying to wet and a lot of water would just run through. Good. The other aspect is our uniform dark brown color. If you look at our pile, it has a uniform dark brown color. But wait a minute. What is this that we can see that is white in color? You are able to observe white specks. White specks. We call them white specks of ascomycetes. White specks of ascomycetes. Those are small mushrooms. Sometimes such mushrooms are microscopic. You are able only to see them as white specks, white dots, because now they are in millions. When they are in their millions, you are able to detect them with your naked eye. So we call them ascomycetes. It's another good indicator that our substrates have composted in the presence of air. If your substrate has not composted, has not decomposed in the presence of air, if it is anaerobic, you will not be able to see those white specks. Rather, you'll be able to see yellow coloration smelling awful like rotten eggs. So, our substrate is good, indicators are good for us to add the composting period, and we get into the second phase of composting, which we normally refer to as further composting, pasteurization, and conditioning. It takes place in the tunnel. Thank you. Welcome. Keep on being here with us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mushrooms White Gold. Mushrooms White Gold. We move on. Bye.